Little storyteller.
A fluffy white cloud named Nimbus floated lazily through the bright blue sky. Below, nestled in a valley of green, was a very special place, the Sweet Surprise Candy Factory. It had tall pink chimneys puffing out strawberry-scented steam and windows that sparkled like lollipops. As Nimbus drifted over the factory, a playful gust of wind tickled its fluffy bottom. This made Nimbus giggle, and with each giggle, tiny colorful things started to fall out. They weren't raindrops. They were little Lego-shaped bricks, in all sorts of yummy colors. Sunny yellow like a banana, bright red like a juicy strawberry, and zingy orange like a sweet orange. Down below, in a sunny green meadow, a little girl named Lily, with bright pigtails, was playing with her toy bunny, Cottontail, whose fur was as soft as dandelion fluff. Suddenly, colorful little blocks began to sprinkle down all around them. "Wow!" cried Lily, her eyes wide with wonder. She picked up a little blue brick that smelled like yummy blueberries. Cottontail wiggled his nose and nibbled on a tiny green brick that tasted like sweet apple. Soon other children came running to the meadow. There was a boy named Tom, with a bright yellow t-shirt, and a girl named Mia, with a sparkly pink bow in her hair. They all collected the fruity Lego bricks and started building. Lily built a little house that smelled like grapes. Tom made a speedy car that tasted like cherries, and Mia created a tall, wobbly tower that had a yummy mix of pineapple and raspberry flavors. They shared their creations with each other, letting everyone taste the different fruity flavors. Building together was even more fun than building alone. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in soft shades of pink and orange, Nimbus floated away, its fluffy heart feeling happy. The children waved goodbye, their tummies full of fruity Lego bricks, and their hearts full of joy. They learned that sharing their yummy blocks made their playtime even sweeter.
Please subscribe. Thank you.